What's going on YouTube? It's Caleb with SurvivalJunk.com, and today we're going to take a look at the Be Smart Get Prepared 255 piece first aid kit. Alright you guys, well, getting back to making videos, coronavirus has thrown a wrench into normal everyday living, so now I got some more time on my hands to do some reviews. You may remember I did a review on the smaller version of this first aid kit, and I will link to that at the end of this video, but we're going to check out the bigger one. This one probably runs about $25. You can find them at Walmart's. I think I purchased this one at a Walmart actually. Probably also available online. It does say glow in the dark, which is kind of, I thought at first the whole case glow in the dark, but I really think it's just this where it says first aid, because there's kind of like a little sticker on there. I don't know if you can really tell from watching the video, but so that part's a little bit of a gimmick, but pretty good size pack, and it's got all sorts of good stuff. It's got wound gel, alcohol wipes, antiseptic wipes, antacid tablets, aspirin, non-aspirin tablets, antibiotic ointment, burn creams, insect repellents, lip ointments, cold compress. Comes with 40 shear bandages of 3/4 inch by 3 inch, 30 shear bandages of 5/8 inch by 2¼ inch. It's got 15 butterfly closures, blister pads, gauze, waterproof bandages, sterile trauma pad, and a triangular bandage, and some elastic wrap. So, and it's also got some safety pins, wood splints, nitrile gloves, waterproof tape, splinter removers, first aid guide, which is kind of nice, and tweezers. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. So upon opening it, everything looks like it's kind of put into one larger bag with everything separated out in the smaller bag. So we'll get into there. Here are all your tablets. So you got 10 aspirin tablets, 10 non-aspirin tablets, and 10 antacids, which is nice. That's kind of cool. I've never seen a first aid kit that has some Tums in it. But, you know, sometimes you need antacids. These are all your antiseptic wipes, and it does include, looks like, one poison ivy wipe, which is nice. Out here in Colorado, we don't really have poison ivy to my knowledge, but, you know, it's poison ivy, oak, and sumac, it looks like. And let's see what else we got here. These are antibiotic ointments, 5 burn creams, 4 insect repellents, 2 lip ointments, and a wound gel. So, not too bad. I don't know if I'm going to break all these out. But, yeah, and some insect cream looks like too, which is nice. Because out in the woods, you never know what's going to bite you. Let's pop into the main portion here, and we'll see if we can find our survival guide that it comes with. So yeah, these are just regular plastic bags. For comparison, the smaller bag, if you guys recall, is kind of divvied up into the different sections like this. So really you kind of have to pull everything out to see what you're working with, but the little kit's got quite a bit of stuff too. Obviously smaller size, so it's got less stuff than this large one, but let's check it out. So it's got a baggie for your instruments, so that includes 10 safety pins, 2 splinter removers, and a set of tweezers, which is nice. Baggie for all your bandages, so like I said, 40 larger bandages, 30 smaller, 15 butterfly closures, 5 waterproof bandages, and a blister pad pack, which is nice. So quite a bit of bandies, which is nice. Let's see what else we got in here. So this bag contains your 4 nitrile gloves and 2 instant cold compresses, which is pretty cool. Usually you don't see a cold compress in a first aid kit that you get from the store, so that's kind of nice to have. I think With these, you just shake the contents and then you kind of crush them, and then it'll instantly get cold. Awesome if you need to get swelling down somewhere out in the wilderness. And we got our cover and protect, so sterile pads. So we got 8 2x2 inch, or excuse me, 8 4x4 inch, 10 2x2 inch, 5 wood splints, 2 sterile trauma pads, 2 waterproof tapes, a triangular bandage, and some elastic wrap, and first aid guide. So I'm not going to get too deep into tearing all these pads open, but pretty comprehensive, I'd say. I did want to just take a look at the little guide. So just a paper guide, but let's open it up and take a look. So it's got you some instructions for CPR. It's got different first aid best practices for things like bleeding, burns, drowning, electric shock, fainting, fractures, frostbite, gas poisoning, heat exhaustion. So yeah, looks like there's quite a bit of good info on this thing. And then it looks like the back side of this card is just all the same information in Espanol. So good to have. And then it's got a spot if you want to write down your local emergency numbers, fire department, gas company, your doctor. Probably a good thing to do. So we'll keep that where it was. So yeah, like I said, mostly these are just your gauze pads, and looks like a pretty decent elastic wrap, which is nice as well. And then you got your 2 waterproof tapes and a couple wood splints, which really are just, they look to be like popsicle sticks, but they would work in a jiffy if you need them in a pinch. So yeah, overall I'd say this is a pretty good size first aid kit. Like I said, they run about $24.99, $25 at Walmart. You know, especially in times like this, guys, it really pays to have a first aid kit in the house, because as you guys know, we're all probably going to be spending a lot more time in our homes now, and you know, accidents do happen, people get hurt. So if you are in the market for a first aid kit, definitely check these guys out. It's Be Smart, Get Prepared, and this is the 255 piece kit. So hey, thanks for watching the video, guys. I'll be producing some more. You can check out some of my other videos down below, and until then, we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.